Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a food logo on the Mockitup application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the logo option next to the t-shirt button at the upper side of the screen. In the featured section, scroll down and go to the food logo option and just select a template and new you can edit. If you want to change the text, just click to the text box and click to the edit button. Click to the keyboard option and you can change the text. Just write your text, and if you finish, just click to the done button. In the font section you can find different font type and just select one, and if you want to change the color of your text, just click to the color section next to the font option and select another color. In the shadow section you can add shadows to your project. In the graphics section you can find different symbols, or go to the photo section and here you can select photos from your gallery. If you want to draw, just go to the button, select a color and new you can draw on your project, or go to the brush section and here you can find different object. For example, click to the stars button and new you can add the stars to your project. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.